So do you want to make quantum jumps in your life? Then you have to know how to set the right goals. And in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what to do. So keep on watching. Okay, first, so let's talk about what are quantum jumps and how to set goals. So quantum jumps or quantum leaps are like big steps in your life, and taking leaps that you never thought were even possible for you at this time in your life. So how usually people set goals or envision progress is gradually. So they envision, for example, if they are making 50,000 in their business, they're like, okay, but next year maybe I can do 70,000. So it's like a small increase. They stretch themselves just a tiny bit, and they set goals that they know that they have achieved before. They know exactly how to achieve that. And that goal is not really going to challenge you and make you grow and turn into a totally different person. And it's not gonna reveal to you where you need to grow and what limiting beliefs you need to work on and how you can stretch yourself beyond your imagination. So that's not a goal for a quantum jump. So that's the first step, like a basic small 10% increase. So the next level of goals that people then go to is if they're making 50,000 a year, they maybe say, okay, I want to do 100,000. It is a stretch, it's like a double, but they know exactly how to reach that. They're like, yeah, but if I just launch this product, or if I increase the number of sales of this product, I'm gonna reach it. So it's a goal that you, with strategy, know how to reach. You maybe haven't reached it before, but you know you're pretty confident that you can reach it if you just tweak some things in your business. And that is not a worthy goal either for a quantum jump. Because yeah, that goal gonna challenge you, you're gonna grow, you're gonna make more sales, but it's not going to really change you on an identity level. And then we have the quantum jump goal, like the highest goal. And this is the goal that you set. It's a fantasy goal. So it is a goal that you set, that you're like, oh my God, if I did 2 million, I don't see how that's gonna happen. I don't have no idea how to make that work. I don't even know where to start. That's such a stretch. That's a quantum jump worthy goal. Because what a quantum jump worthy goal should do, it should challenge you in your core. It should be a fantasy goal. It should be a goal that you don't believe in today. If you believe that you can make it, if you believe that you can achieve it, it's not gonna stretch you. It's not a quantum leap for you. What we really want to find here is a goal that your mind is like, but that's not gonna happen. It's not possible for me. It's not possible this year. It should be a goal like that you have no idea where to start and how to achieve it. It should be a fantasy goal. And a lot of people ask me then, but if I set a dream goal, I might not achieve it. What's the point of setting goals that you don't know how to achieve and don't know? What if I fail? That's gonna be so embarrassing. That's not the point. Like, the point of quantum jump and a fantasy goal is to make you grow and bring something out of yourself that you didn't even know were possible. And trust me, when you start to think about this goal, you will get new ideas. You will get new ways of doing things. You'll have to structure your business maybe in a different way. You'll have to look at your routines. You have to look at your behaviors. You have to look at your thoughts and really have a hard talk with yourself about what's possible, what's not possible, and look through your limiting beliefs and rewrite those, because that's what's gonna make us grow, and that's what's gonna make us stretch. And you are going to reach your fantasy goal. I am 100% sure of it. but maybe not in the time frame that you are expecting it to come. And that's okay. And when you have identified such a stretch, it feels unreal, but you're so excited. You're like, oh, I'll be so excited if I reach this goal. And it could be whatever goal it is. Then you should, if you have a business, you should put a number on it because it's easy to measure, and a feeling to it as well, because we don't want to put a high number and then hustle our way to it. That's not the point. Like, the point is for it to be easy and to rewrite your limiting beliefs and reprogram yourself so that you become a new version of yourself, an upgraded version of yourself that can achieve this new goal with ease. So when you have identified what the goal is for you, then you should write it down, because science shows that we are more likely to achieve our goals if it's written in a written form. So take your journal or a piece of paper and write down your goal, and you should write it in the present tense, that you're already there, it's already happened. So really close your eyes and feel the feeling when you are in your goal. What do you see? What do you feel? How do you feel when you're there? So you write, I'm so happy now that I have achieved this, or I have generated this amount of money in my business, or I have launched these products, or whatever it is for you. So you write it in the present tense, you write a number and a deadline. So you write a date. And again, the date is not that you have to achieve it for this date, otherwise you have failed. That's not the point. The point of the date is you set a date and then you detach. And when I say that, I mean you set a date and then work towards that date. And what the date does is that it puts you in action. That's the whole point of the date. It puts you in motion and in action, because it's a bit different if you say, I'm going to reach $1 million in 10 years. You don't feel that urgency today to act, to be uncomfortable, to put yourself out there. But if you say, I'm going to make $1 million in a year, then you have to act differently than you are doing today. You have to put yourself out there, and you have to do things that you don't do today to be able to reach that goal. So that's the whole point of the date. So set a date, just play with it. This should be easy and exciting. Just play around with it. And then you write it down and you put it somewhere where you can see it. And then every morning you connect to that vision. Every morning you visualize yourself in the goal, already there. You have already that you're already dreaming of. You have $1 million in your bank account and you feel amazing, and you're so happy that you have changed so many lives and you have helped so many people with your services and products, and you are so excited for the day, for today, to take the next step towards that goal. And that's the feeling that you should connect with every day, the end result and the end vision, because that increases and highes your vibration. It makes you excited, and it makes you want to do things, want to move faster, want to create things, put yourself out there. And that's the whole point. And that's how you quantum jump. You collapse time, because you are becoming that person, and you are already that person that have achieved everything in your end vision today, but it just hasn't been shown up in your 3D world yet, in your physical world yet. So have fun with it and play around with it, and let me know how you do. What is your dream goal? What is your end vision, end result? What is it that you really desire that you don't fully believe in today? Write it down in the comments, and I can cheer for you and support you on the way. And also, if you're just starting out your manifestation journey, I have put together Manifestation 101, your 3-step guide to start with manifestation, and it's free for you to download in the show notes. Cheers to big goals, big dreams, and quantum leaps. See you in the next one. Bye.